This video is meant to help people, particularly people living abroad, understand what the current market prices of houses in Nigeria looks like across different locations. So stay tuned and let's get into it. A lot of people are usually shocked, particularly diaspora people, when you tell them about the current cost of housing in Nigeria, the current market prices of houses in Nigeria. And it's clearly understandable because, particularly for diaspora people, because maybe you left Nigeria in 2018. And when you left, let's say a two-bedroom house in a mid-market location like Life Camp or in Abuja or Aja in Lagos was going for like 60 million naira. But now you want to buy, and then people are showing you two-bedroom apartments. They are showing you 120 million naira, 130 million naira in those same locations. You're like, why now? The price was this when I left. Why is it now so expensive? So if you live in Abuja, let's say you want to buy in Abuja. If you're looking at Abuja, two-bedroom apartments in places like Life Camp, Kasana, Katampe, which are places that are not too far from town and are mid-market locations, you want to be looking at anywhere from 120, this is for an apartment, two-bed apartment, 120 to 150 million naira, realistically, for a 2-3-bed apartment. That's the range you should expect. If you're looking at terraces, you'll be looking anywhere from 150 for a 3-bed terrace, 3-4-bed terrace, 150 to 250 million naira if you want to get a decent terrace in any of these locations. If you're looking at a detached duplex in these same locations, Kasana, Katampe, in these mid-market locations, I would call them, you want to be looking at 250 million plus above for a detached 4 to 5 bedroom duplex. You may be able to squeeze and get something lower, maybe like 200 M, but that's not generally what the market average is right now. Let's go to Lagos. If you're looking at Lagos and you're looking at a 2-bed apartment in Aja, Shangotedo, Ibeju-Lekki, the new Lekki areas and corridors, you want to be looking at, for a 2-bed apartment, you want to be looking 2-3-bed apartments, you want to be looking at anywhere from 110 to 140, 150 million naira. You get you a 2-3-bed, a good 2-3-bed apartment, any of these locations. If you're looking at a terrace in these locations right now, you want to look at from 130 to 200 million naira, a 3-4-bed terrace you can get within that bracket. If you're looking at a detached duplex in any of these areas, you want to be looking at 250 plus million naira. So Lagos and Abuja are pretty comparable in terms of house prices, but I do find that Abuja house prices are a bit more expensive, and Lagos has more options than Abuja in terms of housing. Generally speaking, there's more housing being developed in Lagos. You have more options to choose from in Lagos, generally speaking, than Abuja, particularly if you want to buy with something like Emrif Mortgage. These are generally the current prices of houses in mid-market areas in Lagos and Abuja. Generally, you want to hold at least 120 million naira to get something decent. And on the flip side, if you bought in 2018, now the property value has appreciated over time. So essentially, it is a bit good for you. So yeah, that's just the general market prices, so people have an understanding when they are coming to meet developers, agents, realtors. This is generally what prices are looking like right now. But if I'm wrong and there's any realtor in the comment section, please drop your comments on what you think house prices are right now. Cheers and bye for now.